take your time to actually study. Sorry, you take your time to actually read the chart before you even engage. The market will always come back for you, yeah. So you take your time to read the chart. So you now know where the range is, not from here, not from here, from here to this point, yeah, to this low. So, but then you would have gotten in on beautiful buy entries from here. Now, because there's no buy order flow, there's no sell order flow from this point. Would you be able to get into very beautiful buy continuations or even sell? Yes, you can. Let's go to 7 o'clock. So these are like 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock, yeah. And then 5 minutes. We don't have a buy order flow because this guy here that took out the buy was not maintained into the following day. Yeah. So it was broken during Asia. So that was why we can't consider it to be a sell order flow. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so cool. We have 5M, so cool. 5M. What do we have? We have. So this was basically London, 7 o'clock. So we have a double brush on the M5. So M5 becomes your guide. So we don't have a sell order flow. So can we trust this M5? No, because it's not coming from a strong point, correct?
Yeah.
So violation, entry for buy. Are you seeing that?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So this is the entry for buy. And then what we have here for the sell, we also have this guy, break. We have gotten in on this sell. Yeah. See that?
Yeah.
Gotten on this sell. And the buy, and the sell. Your first target should be this guy, and then ultimately you can. That 30 pips, no. 10 pips is okay, not bad. So, and then you target price is buying because you don't have a sell order flow yet. You're only working with field sell DBs, yeah, 5 minute sell DB. So price is buying. We have a DB, no DB here, no DB. You see how you're not getting on it? You're not getting in on any kind of trade. Are you seeing that now? I'm waiting for your.
Sorry.
All right, so cool. No DBs form, no entry. Yeah. I hope this is 5 minutes. I guess this is 5 minutes. Yeah, okay. All right, so cool. Price already took out higher time frame liquidity, like from the daily, yeah, at this point. So where do we now have our 5 minute DBs? Price bought into this level, gave us a 5 minute DB, correct? Look at it. It's patient. You just wait for this guys to form. Are you seeing that now?
Yeah.
So 5 minute DB, and then we also have a DB for buy here. This and this. So we have this range on to this range. This is like intraday. I'm not telling you higher time frame. I'm just telling you intraday, like your 5 minute stop. So cool. We have this DB here. So this area is a very good area for buy. Why these areas good areas for sell? Correct. See that now. So 5 DB is here. We also have price came at this level, gave us break. Are you seeing that?
Yeah.
DB sell, which confirms this level which also confirms this level to be strong. Price came, took it out. We engage. When price took it out, we have for bearish candle closure. We engage this level, and then because price took it out, these areas were meant to be strong, correct? I told you. But what happened? Failed. Making this area what? A strong point for sell. Are you seeing that?
Yeah.
So This would have been your entry. If you didn't get in on the first one, this would have been a beautiful entry for you. This also would have been a beautiful entry. This would have been a beautiful entry. No buys here. So, but meanwhile, what happened here? Do you have a DB for buy? Yes, of course, we had a DB. But I told you this buy is not coming from, sorry, there's, what's the name now? We have these areas for buy, sorry. This buy area too has been violated, which makes this place a sell area. We also have this break here, but I knew it wouldn't hold because of this guy here. So price came and, in fact, price violated without looking back. As soon as price mitigated this guy, that took out this here. So this is like a pullback to mitigate this to continue. The only reason why I can buy from here is when price comes, takes this guy out, correct? If it takes it out, then I can vouch for this area to be a strong buy. You see that now?
Yes, sir.
So see how price, kept selling from that point. Kept selling. Now, as price was selling, do you have a DB for buy? No DB yet. So let's check if this is a higher time frame structure. If you can confirm that. This is a higher time frame structure. Price took it out, no DB for buy, no buying. Where do we now have our DB? Here, here, and here. So this would have been a strong area for buy. Failed, I will still engage it here, waiting for this guy to fail so that I can also engage. Yeah, I told you. So failed. So what am I drawing? So this would have been a very good. So because price swept, here was supposed to continue selling. I told you now. Yeah. What happened? Failed.
Yeah.
Becomes a buy area. See that? So did price give us DB for sell? Yeah, it did give us. So we have break here and break here. So are you seeing how we are following this price? You see how we are following this. So here it was supposed to give us a sell continuation. Correct? What happened? Failed. Buy. Are you seeing that?
Yes, sir.
Literally, you can be getting into. Mind you, this is the last sell area. Higher time frame. We now have another fail. So this is like our last higher time frame area. So what happened? We are buying. We are looking for what again? Sell OF. Sorry, sell DB. We have this and this, correct?
Yeah.
This break. This was supposed to give us a sell continuation. What happened? It failed. Fail. What happened? It becomes a very good area for buy. This open and this guy. Yeah. So, but meanwhile, we are now approaching our sell area. You see that now? Do we have a DB for sell? Look at it. We have one. This was supposed to hold for a buy. This area. Look at it.
Yeah.
Are you seeing that now? That failed. It switched to sell from here. You see that now? From here. So this entire area becomes a sell. In fact, because we are approaching this level, I'll no longer be buying to target these levels. I'll be very careful because of this sell DB you have here. I'll be very careful. In fact, I would rather take a sell than take a buy, because I would assume this is a manipulation. This is a manipulation so that I can get in on the sell. And then to further confirm that this area is going to hold, because this was a sell DB, this area is not meant to be taken, correct?
Yeah.
So what happened? Failed. Continue selling. Look at this. Look at that massive sell. See that now? Look at that massive sell. Sell down.
Yeah.
Then how do we buy? Buy DB. Price took out a higher. This is a higher time frame structure. I can confirm that. Swept. We have a buy DB. Yeah, we had. At this point, look at it. Break, break. Price swept. And now check it. Check this area. This is also a strong area, a H1 structure, a H1 area. So, and we already had liquidity here taken. Yeah. So on the H1, that time frame structure swept. So that's the reason why this buy was valid. This buy was only a pullback to get into our sell area. See that this was unmitigated. These areas were unmitigated. So price came for it. The same thing. Look at it. We have our DB break. Price violated it. You understand? Was supposed to buy continue. What happened? This area, because we have a sell DB, I told you, the moment price takes it out, this low is supposed to be protected, correct? Supposed to buy continue. What happened? Failed. Switch. You switch. If you cannot get in at this manipulation, you can get in here. The same way, if you cannot get in at this manipulation, you can get in here. See that now?
Yeah.
See that? So look at that. That's the sell we are having to this point. So my brother, that's it. Like that's how you follow intraday. But you, as you are doing this, you have your eyes on the overall structure. Yeah. This is the low. This is our flip. Are you seeing that now?
Yeah.
Flip. This is the high.
So with this one, you have to be cutting sell trades so price come to your full zone.
Yeah, exactly. And then if price is giving you a buy DB, we can look at this buy DB now. Imagine people that say, okay, since we are selling, they want to now say, okay, I'm selling. When price retrace back to this point, I'm going to engage because probably this they'll consider this a break of structure. Are you seeing it? They want to sell from this, and then price just keeps buying up. Are you seeing that?
Yeah.
Because you don't understand what you're supposed to be looking out for. So now they now say, okay, now since price has violated these areas, price may be bullish. Then this is a retracement. If price retraces, we'll continue to buy from here. What happened? Failed. So they don't even understand where they are in price. So you see all this buy and sell we are engaging. We're only engaging it knowing that, okay, right now price has given us a sell order flow. So this area is a valid area for sell. So that's why when price came here, valid area for sell. When price came back, valid area for sell. The buys are only pullbacks, correct? The buys are only pullbacks so that we can engage the sell overall. Are you getting that now?
Okay.
Yeah. So the most valid place we can engage this buy is these lows, these areas. And that's why we are looking for sell down. Are you getting that? But we are also not ignorant of the fact that price can also continue to buy from here. And how do we know that? DBs. See that? Look at this one. 1, 2. Mitigation, buy, continue. Are you seeing that? Now, if this fails, what do we do? Are you seeing that?
Yeah.
If this fails and then price comes to do this and takes out this guy, what do we do?
Bye.
Simple. It's that simple, bro. Now you see how that this strategy doesn't suggest mastery, like non-mastery. It doesn't suggest that you know everything. Yeah.
Yeah. Learning every day.
Yeah, you are only playing the probabilities that you find in the market. Are you getting that now?
Yes.
You are only playing the probabilities you find in the market. It doesn't suggest that you will not take losses. It doesn't suggest that you are going to be immune to all of the things that, like all of the manipulations. Yeah. It doesn't suggest any of that. It only suggests that you are going to know where the manipulations are, You are going to see them and you are going to react to what price is doing. Are you getting that now?
Yeah.
So that's it, my bro. There's nothing more. I don't think there's anything I can add to this. Do you have any question? Did you understand this to this point?
Yes, I do. So, I want to ask a question around this area, this
All right.
side.
What? Which of them? All right.
Please, can you zoom the charts for me tonight? So, around this side, do we have a buy DB?
Yeah,
Yes,
of
I think
course.
we have
Yeah, we have.
one, one, two. Yeah.
Exactly. So that was why this reaction happened. Yeah.
So
So this is
yeah,
supposed to buy continue, and it failed. What happened? It becomes a sell area. So basically, we're waiting for this level.
yeah, to take a sell.
Exactly. Waiting for what am I doing? What am I doing? We're waiting for that level to take a sell. But meanwhile, since it failed, you have another buy DB here that is holding. Are you seeing that now?
Uh-huh.
So we are not held back. And if we see another sell DB here, sell DB that aligns with the trend, what happened? We take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's as simple as ABC.
All right.
Any other
Okay.
question, bro?
I think that's all for now. I'll go through it. So if I have any question, I'll DM you.
There's no problem. I'm always at your service, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All
Thank
right.
you.
You're welcome, bro. So study this thing, practice it, trade it on the demo account, try to get a little live account, try it with 0.01, 0.02, do it and do it for like 2 months and see the results. Then you come with your result and let's see.
All right. Sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome, sir. I'll send you the videos as soon as I'm.
All right. All right, sir.
Yeah, so
Okay.
just keep watching.
All right. Good night.
Night.
All right. Sure. Bye.